Simplify the following without using tables. So the first one we have log 8 over log 2. We can write this as log 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, 10 over log 2. And log 2 to the power of 3 is both of them are logarithm to base 2 will be 3 log 2 over log 2. So log 2 can cancel log 2, so our answer is 3. Then for the second one, B, we have log 27 over log 9. This I can write as log 27, that is 3 to the power of 3 over log 9 is 3 to the power of 2, which you can write as 3 log 3 over 2 log 3. So log will cancel log, and we are left with 3 over 2, which is 1.5. That is that for A and B. C, we have log square root of 8 over log 4. This you can write as log 8 to the power of half over log 4, and 8 to the power of half again I can write that as half log 8. I will write it as 2 to the power of 3. Then 4 I will write it as 2 to the power of 2, which is, now this 3 multiplied by half is 3 over 2 log 2 over 2 log 2. So log 2 can cancel log 2. So we have 3 over 2 divided by 2 over 1. These two down here is 3 over 2 times 1 over 2, which is 3 over 4. So our answer there is 3 over 4. Then question D. Question D, let's get rid of this please. Question D, we have log 5 over log 0.2. This we can write as log 5 over log 2 over 10, and log 2 over 10, that is log 5 over log 1 over 5. That is 2 here 1, 2 here 5, which I can write as log 5 over log 5 to the power of negative 1, because a to the power of negative 1 is 1 over a. So I have 1 over 5 here. I turn it to this, and this is log 5 over negative 1 log 5. So log 5 can cancel log 5, and that will be 1 divided by negative 1, which is still negative 1. Log 5 divided log 5 is 1. 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. For E, we have log 8 minus log 4 all over log 6 minus log 3. Log 8 minus log 4 is log 8 divided by 4, and log 6 minus log 3 is log 3 divided by 3, which is log 2 over log 2, which is 1. Log 8 divides 4 is 2, and 6 divides 3 is 2. So log 2 divided by log 2, which is 1. Log question G now. I have log 81 over log 1 over 3. This I can write as log 3 to the power of 4 over log 3 to the power of negative 1, which is 4 log 3 over negative 1 log 3. So log 3 can cancel. 4 divided by negative 1 is negative 4. That is our question G. Question H now. H we have log 30 over 16 minus 2 log 5 over 9 plus log 400 over 243. Applying the laws of logarithm, this will be log. Since this number can divide, let's reduce it so that it will make our work easier. 2 in this is 15, 2 in this is 8, then minus these 2 will come here. I'll have log 5 over 9 to the power of 2, applying law of logarithm, plus log. There's nothing that divides 400 and 243, so it's still going to remain as 400 over 243. Okay, which gives us log 15 over 8 minus log 5 squared is 25, 9 squared is 81, plus log 400 over 243. Let me bring out the positive first. That is, this and this are positive. That will have log 15 over 8 plus log 400 over 243, then minus log 25 over 81. Applying the law of logarithm, that will be log 15 over 8 multiplied by 400 over 243 or minus log 25 over 8. Let's reduce again. 4 here 1, 8 here another 1. 8 in 40s, I think it's 50. 400 and 400 divided 8, 50. Okay, so here I have log 15 times 50 over 243 divided by 25 over 8. I'm applying the laws of logarithm. And when we divide one fraction by another fraction, we should know what will happen to division. So I'll have log 15 times 50 over 243 multiplied by 8 over 25. Let's see if we can reduce. 25 here 1, 25 here 2. 15 times 2 is 30. 30 times 8 is, that should be 240 also. 30 times 8, yep, 240. We log 240 over 243. And I don't think there's any number that divides this. We are going to leave this as that.